My Jeep is dumping coolant and also has its check engine light, so let's tear her down and cross our fingers that I didn't screw up when I installed the new water pump. And to my surprise, the pump was completely fine and it was just that this radiator hose came off. Although simple, this little issue could easily be over $100 for a shop to take a look, but we aren't done yet. We still need to address that check engine light. With this $20 scan tool, we get a code saying that we have a misfire on cylinder 3. But before I replace anything, let's make sure it's not the valve train by seeing how the engine sounds in flood mode. Now a lot of cars have this option, you just have to push your foot all the way down on the gas when turning your key over. And she sounds great. So with this little test, we know it's either the ignition coil or the spark plug, but let's replace both for under $60 total. And all you'll need to do this yourself is a 5/8 socket, a 10mm socket, a little extension piece, and the magnet tool always helps as well. Now with this, we're all set and easily save $200 to $300.